All right, this is an awesome one. I'm going to go through 3 prompts plus 1 bonus prompt to help you make as much money as possible in the next 30 days in your business from SEO. So literally, you take these prompts, pop them into Claude today. It'll give you your 30-day plan. And then as a bonus, it'll cut the fluff out and give you an even more specific 30-day plan. So you know every day what to do. Not only that, every morning, every afternoon, step-by-step, play-by-play. It's what I'm using in my businesses to grow rapidly and stay on track. Let's go. All right, the first prompt is the opportunity finder. So this looks to find you SEO content angles that could generate your first $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue within 90 days. Both angles must target keywords you can realistically rank for without high domain authority, be tied to a product, service, or affiliate offer you can monetize, have proven search intent, and be publishable within 7 days. And then the key to all this is asking it for clarifying questions until you're 95% or more confident. That's the next level nugget of really any prompt to get the most out of it. A lot of people do prompts very generically and they get generic results. So this is how you get the most out of it. So let's start with this one. We're going to pop this into Claude and go from there. All right, let's hit enter and run this prompt. All right, so now it's going to start asking me the questions to get this running. So what's your existing platform, existing site? Let's just do existing site. We're going to do, I already have this business that I'm going to do it on, which is going to be this plumbing business, just as an example, because a lot of you guys have like local businesses. This works for local, whether you're doing local or online only, SaaS, whatever the case may be. Trades, let's just do this. Next, what's your preferred monetization path? Services, let's just do services. All right, specific trade, we're going to do plumbing. What's the graphical scope of your service? Local market, we'll do local. What's your typical client worth to you per month? Let's just say 200 to 500. Existing site. Do you already have an existing site? Yeah, existing site in the same niche. All right, what's the specific trade? Let's just do plumbing. Let's just do residential homeowners. What service generates 2 to 5 recurring maintenance contracts? Emergency. Installation. Let's just do installation. Some of these I'm guessing on. Obviously, you're going to know better for your specific niche. All right, which installation service has been most profitable? Water heaters, water filtration, softeners. Let's just do water filtration. Roughly how big is your metro? It is very large because this plumber is in Miami. So let's just do Miami. I don't know if it's large or super large. All right, here we go. Here are the angles that it wants me to go with for the questions that I answered. So the first is hard water, has the targeted keyword, low difficulty, real local intent. Is Miami water hard, Miami water hardness. I know just being in Florida, hard water is a thing. So this is a pretty big business. Cornerstone article publishes in 7 days. Here it kind of gives you the outline of this, why this converts, math to 1K, angle 2, and buyer's guide comparison. So people who are almost ready to buy, type comparisons into Google, Culligan versus Connecticut, Miami. So like versus, these articles usually do really well because they're super informative and people always want to compare stuff together. And here's the targeted keywords that you can use to generate this stuff, cornerstone article information, and then why these two work together. And then 2 things, I'm assuming you can actually install water softeners. Your existing site has at least basic local SEO setup. And the nice thing about these prompts is you can push back. Be like, I don't like this idea. Give me some other ideas. Or if you need these 2 things, you can dive into these 2 things. Be like, oh, my site is not set up. Here's my site. Can you help me set it up? So it'll help you kind of get things prepared and take it to the next level. So all you have to do is take these and create content. Now, Claude can create these articles for you. I don't create articles in Claude just because I would have to go in, copy that article, publish it in my website, do all the back end structure, do the internal linking, external linking, H1s, H2s, H3s, meta description, alt text. I would have to do all that SEO structure manually, so I don't like to do that. So I use a program for that before we dive into the next prompt. The next one's really good. I use Arvow to do that. So literally you could just take those keywords and generate an article, do the SEO keyword and the title it's giving you, and basically generate an article. So when you generate the article, you can go in here and configure the article however you want. So you can go in and basically give it your own knowledge base so you can connect it to your website. So it's using that information along with the other information that you're giving it to create the articles. You can also give it a call to action, book here, buy here, and you can internal link. This is next level. So internal links with your sitemap. So it'll link to the article to your other pages, your money pages, your buy pages. It'll externally link to trusted sources. You can use your own images or it'll generate them for you. You can use your own YouTube or it'll add in a YouTube video if you want that. So out of the box, it creates articles with all the SEO bells and whistles, which is really nice. So here's one for like lawn service in Miami. You can open this up and kind of see, and this integrates with your website. So you can have this auto post to your website. So meta description, H2s, H3s, alt text. It builds this for SEO with all the structure that AI and Google are looking for, but it's automatic and you can set it up to automatically post to your website. So that's what I use, and that's how I would use the outputs for this to make it a lot easier. The next one is the role model. So this one's really, really powerful. Who is the single most successful SEO operator or content site owner I should study to make this happen? Limit it to one person or site. Show me exactly what they did in their first 90 days and that I should replicate. So this gives us some additional information of things that we could try with our niche. So here we go. We're going to paste this in here and we're going to hit enter. All right, so here we go. This is the output it gives me. For your exact situation, local trade, service, monetization, plumbing, water softener installs, local SERPs, single person you should study as Nick Huber at Sweaty Startup, but not for the reason most people cite him for the storage business and Twitter persona. Study him specifically for what he did with this company, bold SEO, and the playbook he dominated for ranking local service businesses, right? So this is pretty cool. So why him over obvious alternatives? So basically it gives the reasons why. And then here's where this gets to next level. What Huber did in the first 90 days and what you should replicate. So days 1 through 14, foundation. So replicate Google business profile setup, NAP citation cleanup, 10 Google reviews, days 15 to 45, one ultra strong service page, and then 3 to 5 neighboring landing pages, and then 1 trust page. So this is fantastic. This is next level SEO. So if you really want to get a lot more traffic, having service pages for every local area around you is really key. And then replicate 2 cornerstone blog posts, which we already talked about in the first step. Local link building. Here's what you should do as far as local link building. Review velocity. That's always important. GBP. Holy smokes. I can't say that. Post weekly. So Google business page post weekly. And then what Huber explicitly does not do, and you shouldn't either. He doesn't chase national keywords, stay local. He doesn't buy backlinks. He doesn't pump out 50 blog posts. Quality is important. He doesn't obsess over keyword tools. And then the single most important lesson from him, so in local services, your Google business profile is your homepage. Your website is the backup. And then here is a caveat. So really good. This gives you a 90-day action plan of pretty easy things that you can go in and start chipping away at. All right, so that's really helpful information. Now the last one is going to be this one, 30-day money plan. So pretend you're that person. Create a 30-day SEO content plan that needs less than $500 up front and gets me into my first ranking article and first dollar of organic revenue as fast as possible. Publishing must start on day 1. No research phase longer than 48 hours. So this is really good. We're taking that 90-day plan and then asking them to break down into a 30-day plan and a 30-day content plan. So let's pop this in there and see what it comes up with now. All right, so here we go. So now it's asking like Nick Huber, cutting the fluff. You're a Miami plumber. You install water softeners. You want first ranking and first dollar in 30 days under $500. So here we go. Here is the real truth. You will not rank a brand new blog post in 30 days through pure SEO. Anyone telling you that otherwise is selling something. What you can do in 30 days is rank your Google business profile and your service pages locally, get found, close one job. That's your first dollar. The blog content is your 60 to 180 day plan. We do both, but Google business page work is what pays in 30 days. And then it does a budget allocation here, bright local citation, stock of branded yard signs, Loom for videos, domain, Canva Pro. So some of these you may or may not need. This is just kind of an overview of things you might need. And then this breaks this down into a 30-day plan. 1 to 2 is foundation. Day 1, Google business profile, write your service description. And then it breaks it down into morning and afternoon. Which is crazy. All the things you should specifically do. I mean, it's laid out. You're not having to guess on any of this. It's laid out 1, 2, 3, 4. Day 2 morning, day 2 afternoon, days 3 through 7 neighborhood pages. So here's the breakdown of your site. So basically, you're doing around Miami. There's Coral Gables, Pinecrest, Kendall, Doral, Brickell. Pick the 5 where you want jobs. Obviously, most local businesses, they're not just focused in one area, there's surrounding areas, so you need to focus on all those. Publish first cornerstone blog post, 8 through 14 reviews, local links push, so local link plays, email 5 local Miami real estate agents, local Little League team, Miami-Dade Chamber of Commerce. So it's specific to the local area, which is really cool. 15 through 21 first lead, second cornerstone. So it's talking about blog posts again, and some other things that you guys should do. And then Google business posting habit, 22 through 30 compound measure. So outreach number 2, measurement and triage, measuring, what queries are showing up for in your Google Search Console. And then what I'd bet you're hitting in 30 days, 15 to 25 Google reviews, money page index and ranking, Google business page showing in local 3-pack, 15 inbound leads, 1 to 3 closed jobs. So what I do not want to see you doing, buying backlinks, writing a lot of blog posts, hiring content writer. Obviously that's unnecessary now. Accessing over keyword search. So yeah, great plan. Everything's broken out very specifically in 30 days, which is crazy. Now the bonus prompt, this one's killer. Ask me 3 yes/no questions to identify what will stop me from publishing this month, then